Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, and welcome to Te Tai Tokerau, the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand. I grew up here on the family farm. This is my brother, John Boy. My dad, Frank. And my mum, Kim. Woo! Are you ready to come on some epic little missions with me? Mean! Hoake tātou. And today, let's do it! I'm on an amazing mission out in the moana. I built an obstacle course for my new car, Karawhiua! And, check it out, cousins, I go in an underground adventure to find glowworms. Kia ora, my cousins. I didn't see you there. I'm so excited because my new taonga tākaro is on its way. And guess what it is? Whee! It's here. Kia ora. Parcel for Buzz. Aye, that's me. Andy. Now, Mihi, thank you very much. Hang on a second. Aren't you that fella from the Tick Time? Talk Time? Toy Time? Hey. Yep. That's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Oh, my parcel! Come in close, my cousins. You're gonna want to see this. Check it out! It's my new remote control car. Whoa! Te ātahua. Oh, look at the colour. And the weeder. And the shape of it. Oh, he tino pai te āhua. Oh, this is amazing, my cousins. But that's not all. Today, I'm going to make an obstacle course so I can race my remote control car around it. Now, where to find some stuff? I know the perfect place. Find my cousins. Perfect. Let's go obstacle hunting. Engari, kia tūpato, my cousins. You need to be very careful where you walk around here. Things are very heavy and very sharp. Tino koi. All right, let the search begin. I think I found something. These cones will be a perfect obstacle for my car to drive around. Yes. Oh, what about this? Carl, this. Carl. Hey, what's that? Oh. These two ipu will work perfectly. This post looks pretty cool. Hey, where does the post send its mail from? The post office. Mailed it. Check this out. I could use this as a tunnel. Let's keep looking. Ooh. These blocks will come in handy. Okay, how many are there? Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono. There's 6 blocks. Yee! These weeder look pretty cool to use. We can use them for some more obstacles. Okay, now, we need to find something that's going to be the most epic, fantastic kamote wehi wrap for my remote control car. Okay, what do we got around here? Hey, I see something I can use. Come on! Hi, Dad.
Hi, Buzz.
What are you up to?
I put in this wood on the gate.
Karawe, we're all ready to set up our obstacle course. Let's do it! This is going to be my starting point. Yee! Can't wait. All right, let's set up the first obstacle. Here. That looks perfect there. Let's set up our post. Over here. About there. Tahi, rua, toru, pa, rima, ono. Okay. 2 there, 3 there. Yoink! Somewhere around there. That looks awesome! Now for our bins! Come on, cuzzies! Perfect. Now to set up our amazing, awesome Kamote Way ramp! Okay, tai, rua, toru, hey! Perfect. Okay. Right about here. Whee! We're all ready and steady, steady, must be scary, ready to go. Let's race. Now all we need is someone to time the race. Tēnā koe, Zion. You're the best stopwatch dog ever. Are you ready to race, my cuzzies? Perfect. Are you ready to race, Zion? Nowhere. Are you ready to race, Buzz? Check. Let's do it. Okay. Ha. Tai. Rua. Toru. Karawhiua. We're off! Whoa! Okay, around the tyre. Careful, careful, careful. Okay, here we go. Setting up for the first little jump. Here we go, and... Ah! Made it! All right, concentrate, Buzz. Concentrate. Here we go. Oh, made it! Around the cones. Here we go. Here we go. Around the cones. Nice, nice, beautiful remote control car through the tunnel. We made it! Around the last cone. Perfect. And now we are ready for the biggest ramp I've ever made. Tai, rua, toru, go! We did it! Zion, what was my time? Rima te kouma toru he kona. That's a new record!
Buzz,
Huh?
that's my blow with you, Tai.
Pakuo. Yeah, up to. I'm on a mission.
Hey, what mission?
I'm trying to find glowworms.
You know it's hard to find them in the daytime.
Yeah, I know. But I love a challenge.
Oh, how? You ain't gonna find them around here. You'll have to wait till night time or go and find a cave.
Hey, Anna. John Boy, you're a genius. I know someone who can show us, eh, Anna? Find my cuzzies. Oh, do you want to come too, John Boy?
I can't this time. I'm trying to catch a unicorn.
A unicorn? But there are no unicorns around here.
I know, but I like a weirdo.
Oh, well, ko tātou tēnā. Me haro, we're off to find a cave. Pako. Let's go! This is gonna be amazing, my cousins. I've never been inside an ana before. For this mission, we're gonna have to travel all the way to Waipu to meet one of my friends who can introduce us to an ana and titiwai glowworms. Awesome! Then I'm gonna become their friends and then I'm gonna transform into a titiwai, change my name to Glowworm Buzz, and then that's me living in a cave. I wonder what else we can find in an ana. Come on, my cousins! Woo! We made it, my cousins! Tito! Oh, ka mau te wehi. Te ātāhua hoki o tēnei whenua. Let's go and find our guide.
What you doing, Buzz?
Oh, I'm on a mission.
What you missing this time?
Oh, we're looking for some glow. Oh, Ian, it's you. There you are.
Hey.
Hey, meet the cousins.
Oh, kia ora, cousins.
Me and the cousins are just on a mission to find some titiwai.
Glowworms?
Yeah, I've been trying to find them in the daylight, but they're really good at hide and go seek.
You won't find them in the daylight.
That's what John Boy said. Hey, yous might be related. Anyway, we've heard that titiwai like to hang out in ana, and the only mātanga I know on caves is you.
Oh, I'm no expert.
Oh, what are you then?
No, actually, I am an expert.
Oh, I knew my calculations were correct. So, do you think that you could please show me and the cousins some titiwai?
Absolutely. Come with me, Buzz.
Whai mai!
Welcome to the entrance of the cave. Buzz, before we enter the cave, I need to give you a little safety briefing. The most important thing is not to go in a cave by yourself. You should have an adult with you. You need to check for rain and bad weather washing into the cave.
Is there anything else I need before we go in?
Yes, here's a torch for you,
Perfect.
and I have my big one.
Oh, let's go!
Buzz, it's getting dark down here. Let's put our lights on. Light check.
Check!
Let's check the big one.
Wow. Oh.
Like daylight.
Come on, cousins. Kia Maya. Be brave. Whoa. This is amazing. I've never been inside a nana before. Check it out, cousins. It's like a whole nother world down here. Hey, what's that?
I can see a spider.
Oh, a pūngā were were.
Come on, Buzz. Come with me.
Hea haere.
That's a stalactite.
It looks like an icicle.
Don't touch.
Oh.
Don't touch. There's oils in our skin, and it could damage it. It stops it growing.
Oh. Tiakina, don't touch the stalactites.
They take 100 years to grow a centimetre.
100 years to grow a centimetre. That must mean this one is 10 plus 100 minus 5. Didn't carry the 9. Triangle's real pointy. 500 years old.
Try 500,000.
500,000? Hey, isn't that when the dinosaurs were around?
Well, not quite, but I've got something to show you. It's not a dinosaur, but it's pretty cool. Let's go. Look, Buzz, a moor bone.
That's a moor bone?
Yeah, seriously. Bones get washed into the cave. This is a lower leg bone.
Oh, I wish I was a moor. Hey, I had a dream I was a moor once.
That's a funny dream.
Yeah, but I woke up and I wasn't any more. I still got it.
Oh, got any more?
Yep. How does a cave haka?
How?
Anahi, anahi, anahi-ha. Man, I'm good. Hey, we still haven't found any titiwai.
Oh, come with me, Buzz. I got a special place to show you.
Come on, cuzzies.
Let's change lights. First, I'm just going to put my laser through the web. The laser shines up the little blobs of glue on the webs of the glowworms.
Does the laser light hurt the titiwai?
No, I don't shine it at the titiwai. I just shine it at the rocks, and it helps put light onto the webs.
I wish I could make a web.
Let's have some dark time so we can see them.
It's like a galaxy in here.
There's a glowworm laying in its hammock. Hanging down from the hammock is lots of webs, some short, some long. Insects like mosquitoes and caddisflies, they fly up and get caught in the webs.
How long do the webs get?
The webs will get up to 30 centimetres long.
Oh, and what's that one there?
That's a male. It's got a long and skinny abdomen.
What does the female look like?
She has a big apuku. She's going to lay lots of eggs.
Papatūānuku is beautiful. Oh, I can't believe you live in here.
I don't live in a cave, Buzz.
Oh, I would. And then I'd morph into a glowworm and live off the ceiling.
Oh, you're a cracker, Buzz. I gotta go find a dinosaur.
A dinosaur? Can I come?
Oh, I don't know.
Please, I know heaps of dinosaur jokes. Ka kite anō, my cuzzies. Hey, Ian, wait for me. Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. When did you get in the car? Oh, it's a beautiful day. And guess what? That's right, I'm back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm driving down the coast to Tutukaka. I'm really excited because this is going to be one of my most epic adventures ever. Come on!
Let's go! Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Cuzzies, you're not going to guess where I'm going. I'm off to explore one of Aotearoa's most precious taonga. Out there, in the Moana. It's the islands of Tawhitirahi and Aorangi. I can't wait. Do you want to come with me? Hoake tātou. Tawhitirahi and Aorangi are 23 kilometres off the coast of Tutukaka. So, today we'll be travelling by waka. Check it out! This waka is called Arrow. It's so beautiful. White is my 17th favourite colour. Oh, I almost forgot. Need our crew. So, are we ready to cast off?
Life jackets. Get the zip up there, clips in here. We're good to go.
Yes! Hoist the sails! Brace the main brace! Shiver me timbers! Toya mai te waka!
You know this isn't a sailing boat, eh?
I knew it. Fire up the engines! Let's do it!
Beautiful, mate. Let's go. We're just departing Tutukaka Harbour, bound for Tawhitirahi, Four Knights Island.
This is gonna be amazing! One of my favourite things is being a good kaitiaki. That means protecting and looking after things. The waters around Tawhitirahi and Aorangi have been looked after since 1998. That means it's a no-take zone. That means no fishing, and that means that there's heaps of amazing sea life to see. Te all my cousins! I think I can see the islands! Check it out! It's a ginormous archway! Echo! Hey, Skip, what can we expect to see out at the islands?
Buzz, you're going to see so much fish life out here. You're going to see big snapper. You might see some stingray, some eels. And you know what? If you're really lucky, you might see a massive kingfish.
I love kingfish! Hey, can we find a kingfish? I promised my brother John Boy I'd take a photo with one.
You know, the last time I saw a kingfish, really big kingfish, was by Rico Rico Cave.
Rico Cave?
Yeah!
There's a cave?
Yeah, this is the biggest sea cave in the entire southern hemisphere.
Let's go!
So, Buzz, here we are. This is Rico Rico Cave up ahead of us. You know, the entrance, it doesn't look too big, but inside there is way bigger than a rugby field. The name means shimmering light. Why don't you go out on the bow? When we go into the cave, you'll see the shimmering light on the surface.
Okay, come on, my cousins. Hey, kua tai mai! Ko Rico Rico tengo tēnei ana, my cousins. This is Rico Rico Cave! Whee!
Buzz the Cuz!
Oh, what's that? Hey, Skip, I just saw something in the water. I think it went that way.
Okay, that's great, because we're heading that way now to jump in the water for a dive.
Perfect. Maybe it's a kingfish. One step closer to getting a photo for John Boy. Whee! Check me out, cousins! I've got my red shirt, I've got my waddy, I've got my weight belt, I've got my snorkel, and I've got my mask. Whee! Oh, I almost forgot. I also have my fins. Whee! All right, Skip, what else do I need to know before we jump in the water?
Okay, so safety first. Buzz, have you got your dive buddy?
Oh, yes.
Okay, and really important for safety, we must have our dive flag up.
Okay.
Okay, we're good to go.
Let's do it! Miti runga, miti raro, miti ha. Tohia te wai. Ko te wai nā wai, eke panuku, eke tangaroa. Haumi e, hui e, taiki e. Whee! Let's do it! Oh, did you see that, my cousins? I saw a stingray, I saw an eel, and I saw a little pigfish. I didn't even know what that was. Oh, I'm just gonna have a little rest, and then I can keep exploring to find the kingfish. I'm ready for more action! Whoa! Did you see that beautiful school of silvery fish? Ah, tahua! Ah, a little bit sad though. I couldn't find a kingfish to take a photo for John Boy. Oh! What was that? Oh, something's over there! Come on! You won't believe this, cousins! I think it's haku! Kingfish! Come on! Come have a look with me! Amazing! Did you see the size of those haku? They were amazing! This has been one of the most epic missions I've ever done. It really shows my cousins that if we look after te taiao will flourish. Toi tū te whenua, toi tū te moana. Kai te aki bus, out.